Assalamu alaikum. I hope all friends are well. I am Alim Shazad. Let's learn how to backup Trust Wallet. When you format your mobile, then you must backup Trust Wallet. Otherwise, if you have USD or any coin will be lost. Without wasting time, learn how to backup. It is first click setting, then wallet. After that, we will click on the three dots. Here is soon. As we click in the manual backup, the screen will be go blank. The screen will be black as we click on the backup. You will be shown the phrase key which you can take a photo and keep your Google Drive. Or you can write and the type words any save it's anywhere and the documents. I recommended save it in Google Docs and keep it soon as you format your mobile that you can recover it. You can use the Anywhere Trust Wallet. It is your full access to Trust Wallet. So try it, please save and keep it. Hope you will like my video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.